Welcome! In front of me I have Huawei Watch GT Runner, and I'm gonna show you how to measure the heart rate on this device. Before we start, a quick disclaimer: if you want to get the most accurate results of your measurements, make sure to put your watch on your wrist, secure it tightly so it doesn't move around, and while you're measuring your heart rate, try to keep still, don't move around too much. Okay, I'm just gonna put my finger on the sensor right here on the back, but because of that my results might be not too accurate. Now let's go back to the measurements. So first thing you will need to do is to wake up the screen on your watch, usually. So let's wait until the screen turns off and then wake it up by pressing the home button. After you wake up the screen, press the home button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and find the option called heart rate and tap on it to open the heart rate widget. And your watch should start measuring your heart rate automatically because it's measuring the heart rate in real time. So let's wait for the results. Oh, and as you could see, here we have the number, and this number will jump around because the watch is measuring the heart rate in real time. So as you can see now it's going down and it can jump around a little, but once it stabilizes it should be your heart rate, current heart rate. You can also swipe up on the screen to open the resting heart rate page, and here you can get some information for your resting heart rate. I didn't measure enough to get the data for it, so it's empty. But if you wear your watch for more than a couple of minutes, you should get the data about this right here. And once you're done measuring your heart rate, you can press the home button to go back to watch face, like this. And that's how you measure the heart rate on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.